Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Drew Bazanton and this is my setup. I'm psyched on my bike. Like, I've always wanted a red bike and I never ever had the chance to ride one, and then DK was able to powder coat me this one and I couldn't even be any more psyched on it. I run a DK team frame. I got DK Alpha forks and DK Stigma bars. And then I got the new Shadow Ravager FL stem. I run Shadow rims, Shadow wheels. I got DK aluminum pegs on at the moment. For my setup, I like a little bit harder pedaling, so I run a 28.9. I got a Shadow sprocket with DK Social cranks with Shadow Ravager plastic pedals. Like a little plastic, try to keep the weight down. I got the Shadow Alfred C-post clamp and the Shadow mid onesie seat. I run hub guards front and back and a gyro. Got the new Odyssey GTX S gyro. I run the Shadow Overtaker tires and I love them. Like, I run the 2.25s. They're a bit fatter, but they grip really, really well. And they're grippy, but they're smooth at the same time, so they work good for street. They grip good on trails, and they work really good for the park, which I ride most. So things I'm most psyched on are actually the brakes and the brake lever. I got new Shadow signature brakes out now, and currently working on a Shadow prototype lever. It just makes my bike feel that much better when it's smooth pulling brakes. One of the things I'm most psyched about my bike is I scribbled my dad's name on the side of my bars, Papa B. He's not doing so well right now, so just riding for my homie.